Hi, I'm Jane Gates from Gates & Croft Horticultural Design, landscape designer and all-round garden fanatic, and introducing you to my new book, All the Garden's a Stage, by Schiffer Press, that just came out. And what I'm here to talk to you about is how to kill Bermuda grass under concrete. And that can be a real problem. Bermuda grass has a tendency to grow trailing roots. They're little rhizomes that creep along under the soil. That's one reason why it does so well, especially in hotter, drier gardens. It's able to store more water. It doesn't need as much as the thin blades that grow rich and strong straight up from little tiny roots. This instead has creeping roots, which unfortunately can also creep places you don't want them. It can go around the edges of concrete. It can climb over concrete. Certainly with stepping stones, it can crawl right over them and smother them. And if you look closely, you can see, like here I've got a concrete paver, and I've turned it on its side so you can see how the roots grow underneath the concrete paver. And you can see how they branch out and how they live under here. And this is not really what you want. You want to keep the edges clean around your stepping stones, around your concrete, around any area that the grass is growing. You want a clean edging. So, of course, you can always use an herbicide. There are many herbicides on the market. Just make sure you always read the instructions carefully, because they are poisons. And if you want to go a little cleaner than that, or a little greener than that, there are two other little tricks you can try. One is you can use vinegar. Use it straight. And you may have to douse your plants a few times, but just pour some vinegar right over the edges of those roots. It will make them die back. Another thing is you can boil up some water, and you can't get cheaper than this, and actually pour boiling water over the roots. That will pretty much cook them. I don't think you really want to eat them, but they're certainly going to quit growing where you don't want them. So try boiling water, try vinegar, or maybe buy yourself an herbicide. Used carefully, you can get rid of concrete roots, or roots that grow under your concrete or around your concrete or right over your concrete, from that Bermuda grass. Get them good.